Anyway, I purchased these walnuts, and they're raw, half pieces, and this is the best nut you can eat. You can see we nutted up a lot. So what I've done is I filled up my Vitamix with water, and I put in a good handful of walnuts, just like that. You can see they're soaking in there. Now you could soak them overnight. I don't really care. I just put them on and do it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, jelly beans? And so then I'm gonna put my top on here just like that. I gotta grab my plunger because you don't want it squirting all over the place. So I have it set on smoothie, and then all I do is just click the little button down here to turn it on. That tells me it's on. Then I come here and click that. I give it another click just for good measure. You can see it's nice and white and foamy. If I wanted to turn it off, I could have just hit that, but I'm good. So now you can see it gets a little smushy and smashy. So what I do is I bring it over here because it does drip everywhere, you see what I mean? So that way I don't get it all over the counter. And Bob's your uncle. Look at that creamy, white, delicious, frothy walnut milk. Now I'm gonna use that for my coffee. I've got a little container to pour it in. And then I just keep it right in my refrigerator, nice and cool. Look how creamy it is. And walnuts are supposed to be the best nut that you could possibly have. I'm gonna save a little bit for over here, and I'm just gonna dump that right into my coffee. And there's my coffee cream right there, bam. What a latte that's going to make. And that's it, baby. Now we just gotta clean up our mess. But yeah. If you guys want some awesome nut milk, I highly recommend trying these walnuts because they're fantastic. You know what they say? What is the meaning of Zen? The meaning of Zen is catch your food, cook your food, eat your food, then wash your dishes. I'm going to do a little bit more washing with soap in a minute, but let's turn that off for right now. So let's come on over here and check out let's move that out of the way. Let's check out our latte that we made. It looks good. I'm going to try it right now. Let's check it out and see what we think. Here we go. Ooh, that's one nutty cup of coffee. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and have some nut milk. Peace out.